Hello and welcome to episode 54 of Drupal Modules, the 1%. My name is Hans Riemenschneider, and this is where we seek to bring attention to modules running on less than 1% of reporting Drupal sites. After over 55,000 plays on Vimeo, we're going to try our hand at YouTube. Those videos will stay archived as long as Vimeo allows it, and all tutorials can be found at gogro.org/tutorials. Today, we're going to take a look at View Send, which permits you to execute personalized mass mailings to recipients who are referenced in a view. There are stable versions for Drupal 7 and 8. At the time of this recording, 5,060 sites report using View Send, and we're going to check it out in Simply Test Me. We should also note that since I've been here last, there are 2 new one-click demos, so you can launch Umami or Drupal Commerce right from Simply Test Me. That's pretty cool. And we're also going to grab Devel, which will allow us to quickly generate some content. All right, Drupal has been installed. Let's log in. The login for Simply Test Me is admin. If we visit Extend, we will see that Simply Test Me has already enabled View Send. However, we're also going to want to enable Devel Generate. Let's generate some users. Let's create a view. I'm going to create a view of users, but my understanding is that this module should work just fine interacting with views of any type. Let's make this a table. And you will need a name and an email. We're also going to want to add the send email field. You'll want to create a page or a block. And in a real-world scenario, you most certainly would likely want to add additional filters that would limit this content to something more specific than every user on the site. Let's save our view and visit our page. Here we have our users. Let's select several. We could then choose Next. We choose the field we're going to use for their name and their email. Provide a subject and the email's message. Choose Next. Here we can review email details and send the message. Pretty nifty. This just might help you improve communication. Happy Drupaling!